I want y'all to see this. This little bird, I'm over here putting trees on my layout, and this little bird, he keeps flying in my face, picking at my pocket. I don't know what he wants or what he's doing, but I mean, he's not scared of me. Look at him. Isn't he cute? I don't know what the heck he's doing. I tried to get him to perch on my finger, but he won't sit there. I mean, it's like he trusts me. He'll sit right here in front of me on the layout. See? That's what I'm talking about. Look. See, he sits right here. He's not scared of me. He's sweet as he can be, but I don't know what he wants. He just keeps flying around me and trying to pull that hot glue off my shorts where I dripped hot glue on it about a month ago. I don't know if he's hungry or what he's wanting. He's really sweet though. I don't even know what kind of bird he is. Look, I don't even know what kind of bird you are, man. How are we supposed to have a friendship if I don't know what you are? You want to sit on my hand? No. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come up here. Let me hold you. Come on, let's be friends. You want to be my little bird friend? You want to sit on that shoe now? And there he goes. I don't know if he's hungry or what's wrong, but he keeps coming over here with me. Is that not the weirdest thing you ever seen? Birds are normally very skittish. They don't want to be around people. But damn if he didn't fly right over here. He flew right up in my face. He landed on my head. He landed on my shoulder. He keeps pecking at that hot glue on my pocket. So this little, see right here? Little blob of hot glue that's been on there for probably a couple of months. He keeps pecking at it, trying to get it. I don't know if he's hungry. I think I might go in and get a pack of crackers and set some crackers. See, there he is on the wire right there. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, there he is right there. See him? He's watching me. Alright, let me go get him some crackers. I'll be right back.